Okay. So who will read this for me?
I can.
Okay, go on.
Knowing neither grief not worry, lost in their own joyly world, at their
Jolly.
own pace, joy world, at their own pace, nor in a hurry, sprinting to build a happy dream world.
Okay, Zishan, two mistakes here. You said not, this is nor, and this is aspiring. Am I audible?
Yes, sir,
I
you
was
are.
not, sir, I was not zoomed in, so I thought that was not.
No, I'm talking about this one, especially aspiring.
Okay, sir.
And what is this?
Near,
Are you sure? The spelling of near is Near, and here ER extra is written after the word. Apostrophe always indicates that you have skipped something. For example, here if I write this
Sir,
spelling,
never.
what does this mean?
ma'am,
Okay, what actually it means?
ma'am.
Okay, let me write. Is this both relatable?
Yes,
Yes.
Cool. Now you understood that here D is skipped. That is the reason why have they placed apostrophe over here. So madam will become ma'am, and that's why normally people write the spelling of ma'am like this, M-A-M, which is wrong. So now when you write ma'am, you should know that ma'am is just the abbreviation form of madam where you skip letter D, and that is the reason why I have put apostrophe mark. So the correct spelling of ma'am is M-A apostrophe A-M. Am I clear, boys?
Yes,
yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
So these details you come to know not overnight. That means not in one day. You need to gradually learn that. Slowly you need to learn that. So that makes you perfect. Anyways, now this was just an example. Now, what about this? You need to just see which word will match here. It is not necessary that in English you will know every single word. No, not possible. So, at their own pace, nearer in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. Okay, let us discuss this paragraph. Now, in the previous paragraph, we just compared the smile of a child with a fresh dew, right? So now this is something related to that. Knowing nothing, grief nor worry. Now the meaning of grief is already given. We need not have to discuss that, but still, here the grief means sadness. You are sad for some or the other reason just when you become, when you grow up, you have at least one reason to become sad. See, now you are in sixth standard. When you play game, either in the mobile phone or physically when you go out, when you play game, you lose the game. You become sad. You come to the online class, you perform good, you are happy. But when sir scolds you, you are sad. You come to the school, you fight with your friend, you are sad. You have many more reasons to become sad just when you slowly grow up. When you are a child, even if you fight with someone, you are happy because you are arguing and you are giving your best in that. When you are playing, when you are losing, you are still happy because you are playing. So when you are a child, you don't have such reasons to become sad. Lost in their own jolly world. What does this line means? Can anyone explain me? Lost in their own jolly world. At least try.
Sir, can I? Nine yes, sir.
Yes, Hassan. Please.
In their own world. In the my, in their own world.
I know
Thinking
that
world.
you understand this. Try to explain.
That I think so. That is our world. That we think so. Our thinking world.
Yes, so your thinking is limited. Hassan, I just came to know when you read that you know the meaning of this. Very good. But it's just that you're not able to explain, right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. No worries. That is why I'm here. See, lost in their own jolly world. Now, jolly world means happy world. They are in jolly mode. Always they are in the gay mode. See, gay does not mean only one thing. Gay means happy also. Happiness. Okay. In English, one word has three to four different meanings. Most probably. So here, lost in their own jolly world. They don't know what is going around them. Like, say, for an example, when you're sitting in the classroom, right? When you're sitting in the classroom now, teacher calls your name thrice or four times. You did not answer because you are just, your face is towards your friend. And you both are talking about something really which makes you, very much engaged in that activity. Now, when teacher comes to your desk and taps the hand, hello, I'm talking to you. And then teacher says, you are in your own world always. So that means that you are in your own jolly world. The things you were discussing were more important for you than the explanation of the teacher. Am I making sense? Yes or no? People,
Yes.
Yes.
at their own pace, nearer in a hurry. Now, what does this line mean? Can anyone try to explain? Like Hassan tried?
Yes.
Yes, please.
It's because they're having fun and they have nothing to hurry about. Is
You
that?
spoke something contradict to what the line says.
Uh,
Half of what you say is right, but they are actually in hurry. This is what this line tries to explain. That they are always in hurry. You see, when the child comes from when he goes to the when he or she goes to the school, they are crying. Okay, but when by the time they come home, what do they do? So when you're trying to think about the answer, you need to go in that imagination world. See, when they come home, what do they do? Throw their bag. They will run here and there. They will go out to play. They want their toys. They want everything at their place. They don't even change their clothes. Yes or no?
yes.
They don't want food unless their mom scolds. Sit and eat at least and then go out. This is what the situation. They are always in a hurry to do this and that. They want to grab every single activity, the game, friends, and everything. What is happening, right?
Yes, sir.
See, simply this happens. Let me give you one live example, and then you will be able to connect yourself with this line. Okay, when you are going in the garden, when you're a child, when you go into garden. Now I don't know whether you do this or not. When you go to garden, you say for example your cousins and you or your friends and you group. When your group is going to the garden, you run for the swing. I want this swing. I want this big swing. I want this small swing. You want to book your place. So this is what happens every now and then with child. They are always in hurry. Am I making sense? Yes or no, children?
Yes. I also have an example.
Yes.
You have one more example?
Yes. I have a little
Please go
sister.
on.
I have a little sister. She's 6 years old, and when she's excited to play, she just goes around, grabs her toys. Like she has a toy. She lives above our apartment, so she comes down, grabs her toys in a hurry, and runs back up. She does that many times.
Okay, and there is a possibility for her to fall down, and we need to tell her, we need to poke her again and again. Just don't make a haste. Haste is total waste. Slowly, we need to instruct them again and again, right?
Yeah, that's exactly
Yes.
what I do
Anyone else?
when she.
Yeah,
No,
so
sir.
nice of you to take care of her. People, if you do not understand what he speaks, you can ask me to repeat the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last line is aspiring to build a happy dream world. Wow. So can anyone try to explain this? So easy line.
So can I
Aspiring to
try?
build a yes,
Can I
yes.
try, sir?
Yes, please.
I think so that we can build our own world, dream world.
You need to elaborate. That means you need to explain it in detail.
That I can't do, sir.
No problem, but what you did is good. Can anyone else? But only 4 to 5 students are very much active. Rest of them are passive.
Sir, can I? And yes, sir.
Yes, 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 you can.
Everyone expects to be happy. Happiness seems like a dream goal. Like,
Mm, see, I explained you this line. It is something related. It has something to do with the last line. Come on. Now I gave you the hint. Okay. Uh, um, Let me ask you the question, and by that answering that, you will easily understand this line. Now, if I ask you the question, for which purposes does the small children cry?
sir, can I answer how much puzzle?
Yes, yes,
He can fall down on floor.
that's hurt. When they get hurt. Okay. What is the
If they
other reason?
if they want something really bad, they cry and try and ask their parents to give her
Mm,
it.
okay. Can I correct you?
Yes.
Yes.
When they want something really badly, or you should either use really or badly. So when they want something badly,
Okay.
thank you
Okay.
for giving me the chance to correct you. So real, yes, that is the second reason. First reason he gave, who gave, I think, um, who gave me the first reason why do they cry?
Fazil Asarya Muhammad Fazil did.
Fazil gave me the reason that if they get hurt, obviously they'll cry. Second reason, Zishan gave that if they want something badly, and if we refuse them to give, they'll cry, yes, because they are rigid. Any other reason?
When the childs are hungry.
Children. Either say children or say child. Child is singular, children means plural. When they are hungry, when children are hungry, yes, that is good reason.
But very small children.
This means just a newborn baby. Because they are not able to speak, how will they ask for the lunch or dinner? They'll cry, and only the mother will come to know what he exactly wants, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Great stuff. Anything else?
No, no, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes. We, sir,
I have one. I have one.
sir,
Yes. Yes, go on, go on. Don't wait for me to give you the permission. Give you the permission.
Uh,
I like actually. Yeah.
my little sister plays games on phone, and when she gets something unlucky in a game that she plays, she starts crying and asks her mom to get her more money by buying it from real money.
Oh God, get her off this habit. Are you
That's
getting the
a
point?
rare reason.
Yeah, but get her off this habit is I really don't like children playing games in mobile phones. I mean, now
That's
you're
why I
going to
didn't
see
say.
the upcoming generation will be at least will be of 60 kg or 65 kg. because they sit at one place and they play the game. It is good for the other people that nuisance is not created, but not good for them.
Well, my sister runs around more. She plays game a little bit and asks me to run around with her or swing, go on the swing with her. She's
Good
my
for you too.
yes. She likes playing
Okay,
tag a lot.
is it so? Nice. Okay. So only the reasons, the couple of reasons are there. We can count on the fingertips. But now when you're grown up, can you count the reasons why you cry? Can you count the reasons why you become sad? Every now and then, for some or the other reason, you either cry or you become sad or you become angry. But little children tend to become ecstatic. They always, their default mode is ecstatic. That means happiness. They are by default happy. But only if these many reasons happen, they are sad. So they are in their happy world. They build their happy world. They have nothing. They only are just, trying to make their happy world. They don't have anything to do with the selfish or the sad outside world, right? Outside in the world, people are playing politics. They are playing games with their lives. They are having selfish nature. What about the children? The moment they will find their friend, they will share their toy and they will start playing with them. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So they build their own world in which they always remain happy, at least 99.99% of the time. But only these 3 to 4 reasons are there. They will cry, and obviously they are like that. But at least they are good. They are better than the elders now, I think, because elders nowadays, what do they do? I have. Can I give you one story, one short example, students, if you want?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, when I was in my 12th standard, one of my classmates, the thing, what happened with him is he wanted a bike. Now, bike he wanted was Bullet, Enfield, Royal Enfield Bullet. I think this is the name of the bike. Have you heard this name?
Yes.
Yes.
It is around 1 or 1.5 lakhs. And his father was doing the job of cooking, was a chef. Now, his mother also had to work so that they can sustain their life properly, they can survive properly. Now, their mother and father both had to work for their survival. Do you think they can afford Royal Enfield? Afford means, do you think they will be able to buy this bike
No.
in the simple language?
No.
No.
And do you think that this child should ask for this bike to their parents if he knows, if he is living in the same house, if he knows exactly the situation, should he ask, should he demand for this bike?
Yes. No. No.
No. He should try and help.
No. Yes, instead of asking for such a costlier thing, he should try to help them or do any job which is helpful. Like child labor is crime, but at least he could help them in the household works, daily routine work, or what he can do is stop demanding such costly things. That would be of great help. But what he did, he ran out from the house. He just went out of the house and was lost for 2 days. Now, what do you think? What would be the situation of the parents? Would be better?
No, their
No.
parents would probably go to
No,
the
sir.
police station.
Yes. They will. They have to. Sorry. Yes, someone was speaking. Sorry to interrupt. Yes, you can speak. Who is speaking?
her parents to go police station.
Yes, his parents had to go to police station just to search his own boy. And you know what? He, his child actually called him up from his friend's number, and he was out of town by the time they were searching. And you know what? His child called his parents, and what did he say? That only if you will buy me the Royal Enfield Bullet bike, I will come home. Now, how far do you think this is good? So actually, he is blackmailing his parents. So, what will you do if you are in his place?
Uh, I would try and go back and try and fix everything.
But first of all, if you are there, will you run away from the house? Will you escape like
No,
this? So, there is no
No.
question
no,
arising for returning back, right?
yes.
Zishan, will you let me know what is the time?
What? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Will you let me know what is the time? What exactly is the time?
It's 10:06. It's 10:06.
Okay, so we have still a couple of minutes to discuss about this topic. Hold on just a minute.
Sorry, your story was finished. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so this is what Stop.
happened with me. Yes,
Sorry, your story was finished.
no, I'm just concluding it.
Okay.
Let me conclude it. So this is what happened with me. Actually, how I came to know is immediately when their parents came to know, like in our school it was a rule that if student is absent, we used to call them, call their parents, the I don't know HOD or someone used to call them that your child is absent today. Is he at home? So that they used to confirm that is he at home or he just departed from the home and he's somewhere on the road. So as to make the parents just familiar with the situation. So what happened on that day? The parents said that yes, he actually he used to his way of commuting to the school, way of coming to the school was with his bicycle. He used bicycle for traveling. So his father said yes. He was on the time. He left the house. Why didn't he reach school? So by the time we told them that no, he is not in the class, his father came running in the school and his mother was badly crying. And our eyes were like really wet. We were not crying, but it was really emotional thing for us that this child has gone mad or what? He's nut or what? He has done like this. And he was blackmailing his father. Only if you will give me Bullet Royal Enfield, I will come. And then one of our teachers, who was really good counselor, called him. Teacher said that okay, father is ready to give you a Royal Enfield bike. And teacher called him by this way. He called him, and then teacher went to his house and explained him. And I don't know then what happened. The child was totally changed. And from the next day, the child was not even bringing 10 rupees for his, breakfast, otherwise which he used to bring daily. So I hope you understood this story,
Yes.
right? So what is the moral of the story? Tell me. What did you learn from this story?
That you should
Sorry, can
not.
I speak in Hindi?
No,
Sorry.
sorry. I will help you out if you will speak incorrect. Okay, Zishan, help your friend. Come on. Now I don't need to help them. They have the good friend.
Okay. Yes.
So, who was
Fazil.
saying that I want to? Fazil. Fazil, do one thing. You speak in Hindi, your friend will translate in English.
Okay. Zishan, we have to not do that. Zid.
You shouldn't Wait. You shouldn't argue with your parent for something that's too expensive to afford.
Exactly. So this is what you're trying to say, Fazil, that if it is too expensive for them to afford that thing, you should not demand those things, right? You better know the condition of your house before demanding something. Your parents would not every time share everything with you. They want you to keep away from the sadness. They don't want your relation to happen with the sadness. They want you to always become ecstatic. So you should know the situation of your house before demanding something. Now, students, I want to give you one situation. If you are very rich, if your father is able to afford everything, how should be your nature?
Probably spoiled.
I think my question is not clear. I did not say that how generally is the nature of the people having the rich background. I said that how should be your nature.
Royal.
Hmm? How you should be demanding everything every single day.
I don't know. 60. I would probably 60% ask for a lot of stuff. The 40% not ask for a lot.
Okay. Anyone else? If you don't even understand my question, students, you can say that, sir, please repeat. But don't remain like this, silent baby. Crying baby is better than a silent one. My question is, if your father or if your family is rich, how you should be in the nature, how you should develop yourself. Your first.
We will demand much we can.
Oh, okay. So will you
Our
not ask
name
me?
will be royal.
Okay. Will you not ask me the same question?
Yes, sir. What would you do?
Okay. First of all, if my father is rich, I would make the friends who are very much needy. I hope you understand the word needy.
No, sir, I don't understand, sir.
No
It
problem.
means the,
I would, yeah, it means,
it means that someone who needs the money, someone who's gonna use it for good.
haha, right. So, needy person means the person who is in need, who really needs money or who really needs the help in any sense, right? Still, I have the friends for whom I paid their tuition fees during my college time. Can you believe that? If you believe or not, it is true. So actually, I was from very poor background. I have seen the situation in the house when we were eating the food for the two time, which was cooked only one time. Now I am capable enough to give the food to other 10 people. So not that rich enough, but at least sufficient enough money. But when you are rich, what I would do is I would like to make the friend circle, though they are poor, but their sense should be good, sense of selection. They would not demand for, okay, I want to go to movie, give me the money. Okay, I want to buy this, give me money. No. If they really need it, if they will ask that, Rohan, I need 10 books for my studies, can you please help me out? Okay, yes, here it is. Rohan, I don't have the money today to travel to the school. Can you? Yes, I have it. So if their demand is good, you should talk to their parents, you should help them. This is how you can use your money when you're rich. Am I making sense? Yes or no?
Yes. To me, yes.
Yes.
Not
It is
at
not
all.
like yeah, it is not like always you should avoid your demands. You should enjoy. Obviously, you should enjoy when he or she is rich. You should enjoy that, but not always. Enjoying does not mean wasting. These two words are different, right? So you should enjoy. You should use those money in your enjoyments, but you should include your friends in that enjoyment. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyways, coming back to the topic. So to build a happy dream world. So people, when they just grow up, they demand, they make their parents cry. Not only themselves, but they also make surrounding disturbed. They disturb everyone for every single thing. What baby does is you keep them with the toys on the bed, you just keep them in the safe place. They will play, they will enjoy, they will laugh, they will even talk to monkey toy. They will talk to elephant toy, even if they are not replying. Yes or no?
Yes, I still
Yes.
do that.
Yeah. So they will build their own happy world. They don't need any of us. Only if we are there, we will make them cry. This is what it is. Okay. So that's it for today. We will keep till here. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. If no, you can say no clearly.
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
But I enjoyed too much.
Because always I try to give you live and what should I say, real life stories, so that you are able to connect yourselves, right? So I hope that tomorrow also you all will be present with a good thing. And Ali Asgar demanded to ma'am. Now let's see what ma'am takes the action on this. And she liked the demand. So let us see what will happen. And if she allows me to start the conversation lecture every weekend, then I have the good conversation books with me